Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 of BCOM 3113 for summer of 2018. I want to first and foremost apologize for not posting an update video last week, but I will make sure that I stay on top of it the rest of the way through. We're almost a halfway point, so if you download the outline for this week, you'll see we're working our way into a new unit that's going to kind of culminate in going over 4 chapters. We're going to have another test, and then the next major assignment over the course of the next 2 to 3 weeks. We had a little bit of a rocky start with the group work, so all the stuff this week is individual, so that's good. Obviously, we have a holiday next week, so I'll keep that in mind as I try to maybe make a little bit of an adjustment to next week's schedule. So, be on the lookout on Sunday night for next week as that is posted. But before this week ends, obviously you have things to accomplish. Number 1, you have to read chapter 5. It's very dense, but this is a writing course. Obviously, there are things that I want you to know and to be on the same page about. And all the things that I've kind of picked and choose to focus on in chapter 5 are concrete, relatively simple things that you can do to become a more effective written communicator, which is, after all, the whole point of this class. Watch the videos, a really good supplement for that. I tried to break those up into small segments that are easily digestible as well. There's a quiz available on Connect. Now, this is different than a test. It's not open book, and you only get one shot at it. So it's you can do it anytime you want, and there's no time limit on it. But it is due by this coming Sunday on July 1st. Also, there's a Chapter 5 homework assignment, very short little assignment, identifying passive voice. Make sure you complete that. And then, obviously, the grammar exercises are due next week. So if you have not started those or have not completed them yet, please do it. It's an all or nothing thing, remember. So if you wait till the last minute, you run out of time, but you get 96% of the assignment done, you will not receive a 96, you will receive a 0. So that will be bad, right? So as always, email me with any questions and get to work.